Imagine you wake up, getting ready, and your hair just looks healthy, shiny, like you just came from the parlor. Welcome to Pretty Girl Era Transformation Series Episode 3. Do you also want that Pinterest girl hair that's all over your Pinterest feed? Then this video is for you. This video is the whole hair care guide you need to transform your hair, and trust me, you won't need any video after watching this one. Just one deal. Watch this video till the end so you don't miss any tips. In this video, I will share how to understand your hair, common hair care mistakes, hair tips, and how to do a hair spa at home for shiny, healthy hair. So grab your notebook, pencils, and let's start. 1. Understand your scalp. Like your skin barrier defines your skin health, your scalp defines your hair health too. If, after washing your hair, your scalp becomes irritated or makes you scratch, then you have a dry scalp. If it looks oily or after hair wash makes your hair look oily, then you have an oily scalp. And if it's neither irritated nor makes your hair look oily, then you have a balanced scalp. Now, if you have analyzed which scalp type you have, understand how to take care of it. For dry scalp, use a hydrating shampoo, apply oils weekly, like coconut or argan, and avoid hot water. For oily scalp, wash 2 to 3 times a week with a clarifying shampoo, use a lightweight conditioner only on the ends, and try tea tree oil. For balanced scalp, maintain with a gentle shampoo, regular conditioning, and occasional scalp massages for healthy balance. 2. Know your hair porosity. After understanding your scalp, let's understand your hair. Take a glass of water, put a few strands of your hair in it, and wait. If it floats at the top, you have low hair porosity. If it stays in between, it's normal hair porosity. And if it sinks to the bottom, you have high hair porosity. After determining your hair porosity, here are tips according to your hair type. Low porosity hair, it's hard for water and oils to get inside the hair. Products just sit on top. Best to use light, watery products. Don't use thick oils, they can build up. Normal hair porosity, your hair takes in just the right amount of moisture and is easy to care for. Best to keep moisturizing your hair regularly. Use light oils like argan or almond oil. Don't overuse heat or chemicals. High porosity hair, your hair soaks up water fast, but loses it quickly too. Often looks dry and frizzy. Best to use thick creams and heavy oils to lock in moisture. Do protein treatments to make hair stronger. Stay away from too much heat or chemical treatments. 3. Hair care mistakes you are making. Now that you understand your scalp and hair porosity, let's decode the hair care mistakes you might be making that are preventing your hair from growing, staying shiny, and healthy. Washing your hair care accessories. Don't tell me you never wash your hair care accessories. If you don't, just stop and start washing your hair care accessories like combs, scrunchies, clips, and bands. Take lukewarm water, add shampoo, and soak your hair care accessories. Let them sit for 15 minutes, then wash with cold water and let them dry with a towel. Sleeping with open hair. Your hair has a higher chance of getting damaged if you sleep with it open. Either do a loose braid or ponytail before sleeping. Washing your hair daily. If you think washing your hair every day with shampoo is good for your hair, then don't ask why your hair is thinning or getting frizzy. Using chemical treatments. Trust me, they may look nice for a short time but will make your hair totally chemical dependent. Your hair may start looking damaged if you stop or take a break from the treatments. Avoid hair color or bleach. 4. Hair care tips. If you've realized why your hair isn't looking like the Pinterest vibes ones, then you should add these hair care tips for that Pinterest girl hair. Add a scalp massager to your hair care routine. Trust me when I say this, it's a game changer for your hair game. A scalp massager not only helps you relax but also boosts blood circulation, which ultimately leads to hair growth. Rosemary water is another game changer for your hair. Apply it to your scalp and massage either with your hands or a scalp massager. Hair protection. Just like you protect your skin from sun damage, your hair needs protection too. Use a scarf or cap to protect your hair, and trust me, your hair will thank you. Stop using heat products on your hair. They may give you that stylish look, but in the long term, you're just damaging it. Start using wooden or bamboo combs. They are gentler on the hair and reduce breakage compared to plastic combs. Add vitamin-rich foods to your diet. These will help boost hair growth, and don't forget to drink plenty of water. If you use chemical-based gels for hair setting or dry shampoo, make sure to wash your hair afterward. A great alternative is aloe vera. Trust me, it won't harm your hair and will give a natural shiny look. Lastly, start using a silk pillowcase. If not available, no worries, you can use a cotton t-shirt as an alternative. Now, the most awaited part. Hair spa. If you think that I will say you need to go to a salon once in a while to get a hair spa, trust me, it's not like that, nor will I tell you to buy products that aren't available at home. You can have a hair spa at home with ingredients already available at home. Step 1. Oil preparation. Heat oil according to your hair length. Don't heat it too much, just enough that you can handle. And pro tip, never heat oil directly on the gas, use a pan to heat the oil in a bowl. Step 2. Steaming. After the hair massage, it's time to steam your hair. Don't worry if you don't have a hair steam machine, you can do it easily at home without a machine. Just take hot water and dip a towel or a cotton shirt in it. Wring out the extra water and place it on your hair. This will help the oil penetrate. Step 3. Hair wash. After this, wash your hair with shampoo and conditioner. Pat dry your hair with a towel. Step 4. Hair mask. For this, you need curd and honey. Take curd as per your hair length and 4 to 5 tablespoons of honey. Why curd and honey? Curd is rich in protein and lactic acid, which softens, smoothens, and reduces dandruff. Honey is a humectant that locks in moisture and adds shine. Cover your hair with a shower cap or a vegetable polythene cap. Let it stay on your hair for around 30 minutes, and then it's time to wash your hair. Step 5. Hair wash tips. Wash your hair with cold or lukewarm water. Before applying conditioner, squeeze out the excess water from your hair and then apply conditioner. Don't rub or cover your hair with a towel, instead, use a cotton or microfiber towel for your hair. Final step. After washing, apply aloe vera gel to damp hair. Why? Because this is your finishing magic. Aloe vera adds moisture, shine, and protection. It also helps define texture and reduces flyaways. And with this, the video comes to an end. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share with your pretty girl squad, and subscribe for the next episode of the Pretty Girl Transformation. Thanks for watching, Queens.